So the most important locations for a button are always the top here, but the collar ends here, they meet. They sort of make a little kiss right here at the neck. The way that we maintain that space is by having a button right on the collar stand. The second most important one is going to be your bust level. And bust levels, just like height, it changes. It changes on people. It changes in your lifetime. So the easiest way that I would work out button spacing, they are marked on the pattern, but they may or may not work for you. So the big thing that I would say is at bust level, and the reason I like to keep it at the bust level is so that it doesn't pull. Okay, you should have plenty of ease in this garment, so it shouldn't be a problem, but this is the area that's generally going to be the most full, and so that's where you'd want to keep your buttons so that you kind of keep everything nice and put together. The only other placement for button that's important, I like to keep my buttonhole at the very top in the horizontal position, and then the rest of them in the vertical position, with one exception. And this is a trick that, actually I don't know if I've ever told Johnny this. We used to work with the same factory, and one of the mother of the owner was who used to, I don't know, I'm assuming she still works there, but I took a group of students one day, and then we were all looking at the buttonholes, and she was like, I'm going to tell you one thing, and if you take nothing away from this entire factory tour, let this be the thing. And they were working in a lot of men's shirting, and a lot of the shirting had a grid, so whatever, stripes and or plaids. And so you had these sort of horizontal lines. And she very adamantly explained to the students, always make a horizontal buttonhole at the very bottom. Because what it does is it keeps your stripes aligned, right? So if you kind of imagine your full placket nice and stretched out, if you have all of your buttonholes vertically, your pieces can actually shift a little bit from side to side. But if you keep that horizontal buttonhole at the bottom, it always keeps everything perfectly in line.